Asus recently expanded its reach globally with the ROG Falchion RX keyboard, following its successful launch in China. This wireless gaming keyboard boasts a compact 65% design and features ROG RX low-profile optical switches. Offering versatility, it supports tri-mode connection through ROG SpeedNova wireless technology, Bluetooth, and wired USB connectivity. Designed for enhanced usability, the keyboard includes a protective cover and integrated silicone dampening foam for quieter typing. It also features an interactive touch panel for seamless media playback, volume, and lighting adjustments. With a sleek, slim profile, the ROG Falchion RX low profile incorporates arrow and navigation keys within its compact frame. The pre-lubed RX red and blue switches ensure consistent, wobble-free keystrokes with minimal delay, while centralized lighting adds aesthetic appeal. Connectivity options are abundant, including Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless via ROG SpeedNova technology, and wired USB connection. Moreover, the Omni receiver streamlines the setup process by accommodating compatible keyboards and mice. While pricing and availability for global markets are yet to be disclosed, in China, the keyboard is priced at 1,299 yuan, $182, for the red switch model and 1,399 yuan, $196, for the blue switch model.